Here we are at one of my most favorite places on God's green earth, in the Mojave Preserve, at one of these volunteer mining cabins. The significance of this trip is that I'm with my oldest son, who's going to be 13 next week, and for his 10th birthday, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, the other cabin up there on the hill, that's where we spent his 10th birthday. We're going to spend a night here, and then tomorrow we're going to find our way into Pahrump. We're going to visit my friend Martin from the Martin Built channel, and then from there, probably Monday, we'll head into Death Valley and see if we can accomplish what I wanted to accomplish this year. Otherwise, it's not going to be, you know, we're just going to play it by ear. But we got everything out of the truck that we need to get out of the truck. My son has found the beef jerky. So, are you going to open it? Are you shy?
No.
Oh, okay. Look at this mop. Look at this.
The wind did it.
Yeah. Taking after your old man. Walmart beef jerky. That's good stuff. I'm going to have ice cream tonight, I think. Got plenty of bacon, frozen solid. Here's my ice cream. Yeah, it's a little soft, but we got cheese, eggs. There's a thing of bacon in there. Shouldn't talk with your mouth full, Rick. This place is awesome. Let me show you inside. Oh, homeboy's got his bed set up already. And just like when he was 10, he's, you know, still connected to the interwebs. You know, if you open some of these curtains, get some light in here. There's a little bit of firewood light in. Maybe stay reasonably warm tonight. And that view. We'll get settled in and cook up some food and eat some beef jerky and some ice cream. Get a good night's sleep and go see Martin in the morning. Yeah, I was just sitting down to the logbook here, and I noticed this entry from 11/20 of 2020. I spent the night here with my youngest son. He's an 8-year-old nonverbal autistic, and this is his first one-on-one with Dad overnight camping trip. I visited this site several occasions, but this is the first time staying here. I did stay at Riley's back in March with my oldest, that one, for his 10th birthday. Many thanks to all that work to preserve these places. And then, let's see if I can find another entry from the old Diesel Freak. Found it. 3/16/22. What's the date today?
March
11th.
Yeah.
March 11th. Here again for an overnight stay. Tried last year about this time, but was occupied. I got lucky this time. Love the place. And this is what I just wrote.
What?
Getting hungry yet?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
And you want to cook something to cheese?
Huh?
Do you have something to burn or something?
To burn or something?
We could make a campfire.
Oh, just that wood there. I saved that till later, yeah?
Yeah, two.
Okay. Ice cream. Ice cream in the desert.
That's weird.
Huh? Want some ice cream?
Sure.
Grab a spoon.
What?
Grab a spoon.
Alright. Let me just go around if I can.
Here. Come here. I gotta show you this. Ice cream. How is it?
Ice cream good.
Day 2.
Onward. This might be an incredibly bad idea, but we're gonna give it a shot anyway. What'd I do to collect B-roll? I don't know.
Whose grave is this?
Riley's grave.
Damn.
He's the one that owned that cabin that you stayed in when you were 10. You're standing on someone's grave. Yeah.
That person better be tall or something.
This was new. Yeah, ish. 79 years old. Veteran of foreign wars. Put that right back. What's this? United States Marine Corps. Riley was Marine Corps medic. This site is part of the Transcontinental airway system. 100 years ago, in 1923, the United States Congress funded a sequential lighted airway along the Transcontinental airmail route. The lighted airway was proposed by National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, or NACA, and deployed by the Department of Commerce. It was managed by the Bureau of Standards Aeronautical Branch, and the first segment built was between Chicago and Cheyenne, Wyoming. It was situated in the middle of the airmail route to enable aircraft to depart from either coast in the daytime and reach the lighted airway by nightfall. Emergency airfields were also funded along the route every 10 to 15 miles. Construction pace was fast, and pilots wishing to become airmail pilots were first exposed to the harsh wintertime work, with the crews building the first segments of the lighted system. The first nighttime airmail flight started on July 1, 1924. By eliminating the transfer of mail to rail cars at night, the coast-to-coast delivery time for airmail was reduced by 2 business days. Eventually, there were 284 beacons in service. With a June 1925 deadline, the 2,665-mile lighted airway was completed from New York to San Francisco. In 1927, the lighted airway was complete between New York City and Salt Lake City, Los Angeles to Las Vegas, Los Angeles to San Francisco, New York to Atlanta, and Chicago to Dallas. 4,121 miles in total. In 1933, the Transcontinental airway system totaled 1,500 beacons and 18,000 miles. The lighted airway beacons were a substantial navigational aid in an era prior to the development of radio navigation. However, their effectiveness was limited by visibility and weather conditions. 24-inch diameter rotating beacons were mounted on a 53-foot high tower and spaced 10 miles apart. The spacing was closer in the mountains and farther away in the plains. Towers were built in numbered angled iron sections with concrete footings, and some facilities used concrete arrows pointing in the direction of the towers. In areas where no connection to a power grid was available, a generator was housed in a small building. Some buildings also served as weather stations. Many arrow markings were removed during World War II to prevent aiding enemy bombers in navigation. 19 outdated beacons remained in service in Montana until 2018, maintained by the Montana Department of Transportation's Aviation Division. Most of these towers were scrapped during World War II, is my understanding. On to Pahrump.